Good evening, all of. My name is Pooja Subhash Patel. Today's date is 12 May 2022, and today's Wire topic name is Java 8 features. So let's discuss about Java 8 features. Are Oracle released a new version of Java as Java 8 in March 18, 2014 are released. It was released on the Java for Software Development platform. It includes various upgrades to the Java programming. The JVM tools and libraries are included. The Java 8 programming language enhancement. Java 8 provides following some features for Java programming. First one is a lambda expression. The lambda expression helps us to write our code in functional style. It provides a clear way to implement a single abstract method interface by using an expression. It is very useful in collection library in which it helps to iterate, filter and extract data. Then method references. The Java 8 method references is used to refer method of functional interface. The method reference it is compact of and easy for the as compared to lambda expression. Each time when you are using lambda expression to if a method, you can replace your lambda expression with method reference. Then next one is a functional interface. The functional interface are also included in Java 8 features. The functional interface that contains only one abstract method is known as functional interface. The functional interface means only one abstract method are included in this interface. It can have any number of default and static methods. It can also declare methods of object class. Uh, the for each interface that contains only one abstract method is known as functional interface. It can have any number of default and static methods. It can also declare method of object class. Then next one is a stream API. The stream API feature is a default method base of 64 encode, decode, static methods in interface, optional class, collectors class, etc. The Java 8 features is a major feature. Release of Java provided supports for functional programming, new JavaScript engine, new APIs for uh, date time manipulation, new streaming API, etc. are included in Java 8 features. Uh, some new features of Java 8. The Lambda expression adds functional processing capability to Java. The default method is interface to have default method implementation in this default method. The new tools concept, new compiler tools and utilize are added like um, to out dependencies. Then Stream API. The Stream API, newly Stream API to facilitate pipeline processing. Then date time API. The date time API improved date time in API. The optional. Uh, the optional is a best practices to handle null values properly in Java 8 features. Then Java scripting engine, a Java based engine to execute JavaScript code. That's all about today's topic. I hope we can understand. Thank you.